Welcome back. The time's now 9:46, and for more than a century, Procter & Gamble has bragged on its Ivory soap's ability to float. Today, with some help from STEMNOLA, we're about to show you another unique characteristic of those iconic bars of soap. Here to help are STEMNOLA's operations coordinator, Lamaya Hall, and a Lusher 11th grader, Heaven Stewart. Good morning to you both.
Good morning. Today we're going to be doing a Sudsy science experiment.
Okay. So walk us through it.
Okay. It's an experiment you can do in your kitchen at home. All you need is Ivory soap, a bowl, and a microwave. So what you want to do is unwrap the soap, put it in the bowl, and just pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute.
So we are going to pop ours in here for about a minute. And let's see. 30 more seconds. Nope. We can see what happens. So basically what's happening here is thermal expansion. So thermal expansion is when the temperature increases, the volume increases of the object. So our Ivory soap, it has air pockets. So when it has those air pockets, as that temperature is increasing, those air pockets are, moving and expanding. And so our soap's going to expand. So this is like a great quick at-home activity to teach about Charles's gas law as well. And it also makes your house smell good.
So we're seeing the soap expand in the microwave. What is it? I know you guys have a finished product on top of the microwave in another bowl. So what is it going to look like once it's all done? It's kind of bubbling over in there.
Once it's done, as you can see, it's got it gets bigger, but it deflates very quickly. Heaven, tell them what it feels like.
So the part around the edges really feels like styrofoam, and then the actual soap, if you press on it, it feels like melted chocolate.
That's interesting.
So as you can see, our final product here, our soap.
You guys were saying it's a gaseous rule, if you will, or law that it's kind of showing it working. Is it only Ivory soap that does this?
Well, that's actually the question of the day. Can you use other soap brands to conduct this experiment?
I'm guessing no, but I don't know why.
That is correct.
So yes, Ivory soap is basically less dense than other soaps, so that means it has a lot more air pockets for this thermal expansion to happen. Other soaps are very dense, that means they're very compact together, and it doesn't allow for this to happen. So definitely make sure you are using Ivory soap, and make sure you unwrap it first before you put that in the microwave.
Yes. And have a parent or guardian oversee while you're doing that experiment as well. So we have about a minute left. I see you guys have two other activities on either side of you, and you were telling me that's a part of your upcoming STEM Saturdays. So tell us what those are and where the kids can make those.
Yes. So on our website, STEMNOLA.com, under registration, you can actually sign up for our STEM Saturday events. This one, our first one is in Grambling on April 3rd. STEMNOLA's happens on April 10th. So the 3rd through 12th grade will be building this xylophone, and you can actually play it. So they'll be building their own xylophone. Then our kindergarten through 2nd grade, they will be building their guitar. So you can play their little guitar. And it's really fun. We have some other cool activities that teach about sound and sound waves and things like that.
And if you want to see our previous activities, you can go to the YouTube channel, STEMNOLA.
And I was going to say, Lamaya, if you can give us the website one more time where people can find out where to register for some STEM Saturdays and find out those other activities that you guys are doing live on TV with us.
Yes, definitely. So our registration is STEMNOLA.com under the registration tab. And like Heaven said, you can find our previous activities and more activities on our YouTube channel under STEMNOLA.
All right. Heaven and Lamaya, we appreciate your time this morning. Y'all have a wonderful weekend.
Thank you. You too.